positive position. Come and visit 32 Cody Street and find yourself a new home fantastically located so close to town. You'll find a large, spacious home with raised ceilings to give you the feeling of absolute space. Included are 4 bedrooms, the master with its own ensuite. Meanwhile, the ultimate girls' wardrobe is a feature of the master. This home boasts a very spacious open-plan living area that opens right out onto the patio, giving you fantastic entertaining opportunities or relaxing outdoor retreats. A double garage outside means the his and hers vehicles can be parked in style. Likewise, you may wish to utilise one of these for storage. Our owners have created their home, but now it's time to move on to the next stage, giving you the opportunity to add your own finishing touches. Call Jody and Ellen today to view Jody Hillier and Ellen Griffiths at Property Brokers Matamata. Contact Jody and Ellen anytime on free phone 0800 025 444.